I enjoy how motivating and supportive everyone is here at Liberty Bank. With the projects that I work on, everyone is coming up to my desk, asking what I'm working on, asking how they can help me, providing opportunities for me to grow and learn. In human resources, it's very diverse. Everyone's quite dynamic with their own specialties, but it's quite fascinating to see how everyone works together. Many people may not realize this, but a lot of the forms in HR, they're still on paper. So one of the goals that we had this year was to move them online, to increase efficiency and the workflow throughout the business.
The most impactful thing that I've experienced in this internship is the ability to meet with the executives. They actually take time out of their busy days to learn about us and to help us in every way that they can, give us valuable advice that's going to help us in our future careers.
The most impactful part of my internship has been taking my legal education and legal experience, and the typical law student internship is going and working for a law firm. Here I'm able to see a whole new side of the legal world. I'm able to apply the things I've learned to so many different departments, so many different people, and able to help in so many different ways.
What I've noticed about the people in Liberty Bank, the community as well as the people that work here, is that everyone's different. Everyone's from a different background. And seeing that diversity, I think it really builds a stronger culture here.
I really enjoy the positive environment and that everyone is very welcoming. There's always something to learn, whether it's about banking or just work life or something outside of work.